In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on a video using the pan and zoom feature in Premiere Rush. Whether you're working on a project for social media, a presentation, or just for fun, adding a zoom effect can really make your videos stand out and keep your audience engaged. So, let's dive right in and see how you can easily achieve this effect. To start off, you'll want to drag the still image that you'd like to animate into your timeline. Once you've got your image in place, make sure it's selected. This is crucial because the next few adjustments will be applied to this selected image. With the image highlighted, head over to the Effects panel. You'll find a variety of options here, but the one we're particularly interested in today is the Pan and Zoom feature. Simply turn it on and you'll notice something new appears in your preview window. You'll now see two boxes on the screen labeled Start and End. These boxes are your primary tools for creating the zoom effect. The Start box represents how the image will begin, while the End box shows how it will look at the end of the effect. This is where your creative touch comes into play. You can move and scale these boxes to set the beginning and ending frames of your zoom or pan animation. For instance, if you want the image to zoom in, you can make the End box smaller than the Start box, creating a nice, smooth zoom effect. One of the great things about Premiere Rush is its ability to give you live previews of your adjustments. After setting your start and end frames, go ahead and preview the motion. This allows you to see how your image animates, transitioning from the start position to the end. It's a fantastic way to ensure that your zoom or pan looks just right before finalizing it. Now, you might want to tweak how long the animation lasts. This is dependent on the duration of the clip itself within your timeline. If the zoom is too fast or too slow for your liking, you can simply adjust the length of the clip by dragging its edges. Alternatively, you can modify the start and end boxes again to fine-tune how the animation feels. Feel free to experiment with different combinations to achieve the perfect result. And there you have it, a professional-looking zoom effect with ease using Premiere Rush's pan and zoom feature. It's a straightforward process, but one that can add a lot of depth and interest to your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.